Hi, Cardis Corporate Listing Team. I hope everybody's doing well. It's Mike Morley here. I'm reaching out to you today with two important changes in the procedures with regards to the BMA and the BMA submission. So please listen to the short video and take in everything that I'm going through because the procedures are now changing as of today. Why are we making these changes? Well, our BMA variance accuracy can use some help, quite frankly. If you take a look at the areas that I've highlighted in red, you'll see our BMA variance for 2019. Our overall variance on a goal of 5% is actually 6.7%. And our home marketing BMA variance on a goal of 4% is at 4.9%. So what I really want everybody on this team to do is when you get that file is to concentrate on that file and the number that you're putting on that BMA. So what is the BMA variance? The BMA variance is the difference between what we say that property is going to sell for and what it actually does sell for. If you look at the top of the screen where I have the red square, you'll see an estimated probable sales price. That is what the end of the Cardis report looks like, and that's the number that you plug in, what you think that property is going to sell for. The difference between what you put there and what the property actually sells for is known as the variance. To figure out the variance, I have calculation in the lower left-hand corner. The sample calculation, and if your estimated probable sales price on a property is $500,000 and you get an offer and a contract for $475,000, you just deduct that $475,000 from the $500,000, which gives you $25,000. That's your total variance. Now, percentage-wise is how that BMA variance is calculated. So $25,000 is 5% of $500,000. So $25,000 divided by $500,000 is 0.05. Percentage-wise, that calculates to a total BMA variance of 5%. And that's how simple it is to calculate that. Why did I go into all that? Because that's going to be part of the new procedure. First of all, back in January, I started a new procedure in which when you submit your BMA, you send me the address and what you put your estimated probable sales price for that BMA is. So we've been doing that since January, so continue to do that. The newest part of the procedure is that when you get an offer accepted on that property, I want you to email me the estimated probable sales price that you had on that BMA and the offer price for the offer that was just accepted. And I also want you to calculate what the BMA variance is between the two of them and send that information to me. The reason for this is I feel that this is going to help us really concentrate on that number that we're putting down on that report. And that will help us calculate and see where we're going forward as far as our accuracy of our reporting going forward, which is of utmost importance. There's 6 Cardis Platinum points on the line here if we can get our numbers into the proper range. So I'm counting on everybody to really concentrate between now and the end of the year on the accuracy of that reporting. If you could do me one more favor, in this email there is a link. Please enter your name after you go to that link, and the code that you put in is BMA. Once you do that, that'll confirm that I know that you saw this video and we're all on the same page and we'll be good to go. I really, really think this is going to help our BMA variance and get us those 6 platinum points by December. Thank you very much and have a great day.